So now we will be learning about the second method of capitalization. Okay, under the capitalization method, we are going to learn the second method of it, that is capitalization of super profit. Right, now you all know what is a super profit, isn't it? That is the extra profit that you earn over your normal profit. Okay, okay. So super profit was average profit or actual profit minus expected profit, right? Now under this method, what you will do is that, so first of all you will find out the super profit and then capitalize it. Very simple. Capitalize मतलब कैसे करना है? Yeah, 100 divided by expected rate of return. So इस मेथड में क्या करते हैं ना, सुपर प्रॉफिट को कैलकुलेट करते हैं और सुपर प्रॉफिट के बेसिस में हमारा गुडविल निकाला जाता है. That means what? If I take the same example what I have given in the last sum, that will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, let me give it. What was the situation? The capital invested was let's assume everything to be in rupees 5 lakh, right? Yeah, the capital invested was 5 lakh. The return that we are expecting was at the rate 15%, right? And the profit that we have earned was rupees 90,000. Okay, this is the situation. Clear? Now in this particular super profit method, what you are going to do is that you have to first of all find out your capital invested or capital employed, right? Once you have got your capital invested or employed, using the same formula that you have learned earlier in the previous parts, what I have shared, or previous classes what I have shared, is the same thing. Okay, once you get the capital invested, then you see what is the expected return, right? This return is nothing but your expected normal return, or you can say normal rate of return. Clear? 15%. And actual profit or average profit is 90,000. Actual average profit is here 90,000, right? Now what you will do is that find out your expected profit. What is your expected profit? So your expected profit will be 15% of 5 lakh, because 5 lakh is your capital investment, right? What you have invested in the business. So 5 lakh of 15,000 will be exactly, it is 75,000. Yeah. So your super profit will be automatically now super profit your super profit will be your expected profit if you exclude it from your average profit, that is average profit minus expected profit, right? So your average profit also you know, and your expected profit also you know it. So what will be the outcome? Your average profit, that is 90,000, minus your expected profit 75,000, that equals to 15,000. That 15,000 rupees, 15,000 is your super profit, right? So once you have got your super profit, clear? Once you have got your super profit, now I guess all of you understood how to calculate expected profit. Expected profit means 15% of capital employed. This 50,000 is nothing but the capital employed or capital invested in the business, right? This is a capital investment in the business. So this portion, I guess it is clear to everyone. Okay. So once you have got the expected profit, compare it with the average profit, and the surplus will be the super profit. That is, average profit will be more than the expected profit. Then only it will be a super profit, right? It will never will. There will be no super profit if it is less. If your actual profit is less than the expected profit, it will never be a super profit. And in that case, you don't have goodwill also. Okay, you don't have goodwill in that case. In fact, you have got a bad name, or it might be a negative sign that your business is going towards a diminishing way. Okay, so if your average profit is more than your expected profit, it is called super profit. And now, how to find out the value of goodwill under this method? So here, what will happen? You can easily use this formula. Goodwill equals to super profit. Just capitalize the super profit. Okay. How to capitalize this? How to capitalize? Exactly that the formula how you have used for the capitalization of average profit. That is super profit into 100 divided by expected rate of return or normal rate of return. Expected return. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, it will be clear. Expected rate. Now this the super profit into 100 divided by the expected rate. So this will give you a clear picture of what is your goodwill. That is, what is your super profit? Super profit was 15,000. Multiply it by 100. Divide it by 15. So your goodwill value will be exactly, it will be 1 lakh rupees. Right? Understood? So this is how goodwill is calculated under super profit. Now let me give you the logic why we are capitalizing super profit and how you can say that super profit is goodwill. देखो सुपर प्रॉफिट जो होता है वो नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा वाला होता है. तो नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट से ज्यादा इनकम कर रहे हो मतलब तुम्हारा गुडविल है, तुम्हारा बिजनेस में अच्छा नाम है. ठीक है, क्लियर है? तो वो जो सुपर प्रॉफिट है वो डायरेक्टली कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है तुम्हारे गुडविल में. क्लियर है? अब अगर तुम उसको कैपिटलाइज कर रहे हो मतलब वो जो प्रॉफिट बढ़ा है, ठीक है, जो सुपर प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहे हो वो कितना तक तुम्हारा बिजनेस का वैल्यू बढ़ाया है उसी को हम लोग निकालते हैं. उसको कैसे निकालोगे? उसको कैपिटलाइज करके, मतलब उसका कैपिटल वैल्यू कितना है. ये जो सुपर प्रॉफिट है उसका कैपिटल वैल्यू कितना है उसी को हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं. तो उसका कैपिटल वैल्यू कैसे निकालोगे? 100 डिवाइड बाय एक्सपेक्टेड रेट. तो उसका ये जो सुपर प्रॉफिट है उसका कैपिटल वैल्यू हो गया 1 लाख रुपीस. सो 1 लाख रुपीस तुम्हारा गुडविल होगा. आई गेस इट इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, सो this is how you are going to use the super profit method to find out the value of goodwill. I'm repeating once again. First of all, calculate the super capital employed, right? Under capitalization of super profit method, first of all, find out capital employed. Then go for finding out the normal return or the normal profit. That is capital employed into 100. Capital employed into rate of return that you are expecting divided by 100. Then find out the actual profit. After that, to compare the actual profit and the expected profit, you will get super profit, and then capitalize the super profit, which will give you the value of goodwill. Right? It is that simple. I guess it is clear, all of you. Okay, this is how you are going to use the super profit method to find out the value of goodwill. Okay, now we will see a sum. Okay. Okay, so let's see illustration number 13. Okay, a farm earned average profit of 54,000. Okay, a farm is earning an average profit of 54,000 during the last 3 years. If it is given, the average profit is given, that is very good. If it is not given, you know how to calculate, right? So average profit is given 54,000 for the last 3 years. Amount of capital employed is 4 lakh. Okay, capital invested in the business is 4 lakh. The norms of normal profit, that is the expected rate of return, is 12%. Okay, you are required to calculate the goodwill of the firm by using the capitalization of super profit method. क्या करना है? एवरेज प्रॉफिट मिल चुका है, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड भी दे दिया है. Now we have to find out what is our normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 12% of 4 lakh. So 12% of 4 lakh will be 48,000. Clear? So normal profit is 48,000. Clear? So अब क्या करना है? नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट को एवरेज प्रॉफिट से कंपेयर करना है. तो एवरेज प्रॉफिट 54,000 है, नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट 48,000 है. So what is the super profit? 54,000 minus 48,000. So it is 6,000 rupees. So super profit is 6,000. Now what we will do? We are going to capitalize the super profit to get the value of goodwill. How will you do? Value of goodwill equals to 6,000 into what was the normal rate of return? 12%. So it will be 100 by 12. So 6,000 into 100 by 12, it is 50,000. So rupees 50,000 is the value of goodwill of the farm. Okay. Let's take another sum. I guess this sum is clear. Okay. If you have doubt, you can still ask in the comment section. Clear. Now we will go with the next doubt. That is next problem. That is illustration number 14. What is given here? A farm has earned a profit of 2,55,000 during the last 5 years. The total profit of last 5 years is given, right? So you have to find out the average. Clear? Very simple. 2,55,000 divided by 5. You will get the average profit. And the normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%. So 10% हो गया normal rate of return. Farm's asset and external liabilities are rupees 6,50,000 and 2,25,000 respectively. Clear? Farm's asset and external liability मतलब farm का asset कितना है? 6,50,000 और external liability कितना है? 2,25,000. So capital employed कितना होगा? Capital employed will be 6,50,000 minus 2,25,000. ठीक है? Clear? So कितना आएगा? 4,25,000, isn't it? That is your capital employed. So calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method. अभी देखो क्या होगा. क्या करना है कि कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ पहले निकालना है हम लोग को एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, फिर कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड निकालना है. So average profit कितना है? 2,55,000 divided by 5. So it is 51,000. Clear? एकदम आसान. टोटल प्रॉफिट पिछले 5 साल का दिया हुआ है. Last 5 years profit is 2,50,000. Divide it by 5, you will get 51,000. Capital employed कितना है? 6,50,000 Okay, 6,50,000 minus 2,25,000. So it is coming 4,25,000. Now the normal profit, what is the normal profit? Capital employed into rate by 100. So rate कितना था expected? 10%. So 10% of 4,25,000 कितना होगा? 42,500. Clear? And the super profit will be क्या होगा? Actual profit, that is 51,000 minus 42,500. That is the normal profit. So your super profit is 8,500. Okay, 8,500. And now the value of goodwill, that is super profit into 100 by 10, because the normal rate was 10%. So 8,500 into 100 by 10. So it is coming 85,000. Clear? So your value of goodwill will be 85,000. Okay. Is it clear? Now let's take one more sum. Okay. And let's finish this methods of calculation of goodwill with this sum. So what is given here? Illustration number 15. A business has earned average profit of 1 lakh during the last 5 years, and the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. मतलब expected rate of return कम से कम 10% होना चाहिए. Normal rate of return होना चाहिए 10%. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit and super profit. ठीक है, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट भी यूज करना है और सुपर प्रॉफिट भी यूज करना है. इफ द गुडविल इज वैल्यूड एट 3 years परचेज ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट, मतलब दो मेथड यूज करना है. योर क्वेश्चन में आस्क यू टू follow any one method or can ask for following two methods to find out the value of goodwill. Okay, sometimes it might be asking you to follow two methods to find out the value of goodwill. It might, and generally there's only one method. Okay, and the asset of the business was 10 lakh, whereas external liabilities was 1,80,000. Clear? Now you know how to find out the capital employed and all everything, right? So we will quickly find out what is the value of goodwill using the first method, that is capitalization of super profit method, right? So first of all, you have to find out what is your capital employed as the steps I gave you. So capital employed will be, capital employed equals to, what was your total asset? 10 lakh. Right, 10 lakh minus external liability was 1,80,000. So 10 lakh minus 1,80,000, it comes to exactly 8,20,000. Okay, 8,20,000 is the capital employed. Clear? Now the normal profit. What is the normal profit? The normal rate of return is 10%. So 10% of 8,20,000 is 82,000. Clear? So super profit will be, what is the average profit given for the last few years, last 5 years? That is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, that is the actual profit, minus expected profit, that is 82,000. Your super profit will be how much? 18,000. Isn't it? It is not mentioned here. So it will be 18,000. Right? So now what you will do is that find out the value of goodwill. How will you find out? Super profit, that is 18,000, multiplied by 100 divided by 10. So 1 lakh, it will be 18,000 into 100 by 10. That means 1,80,000. Clear? That is will be the value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit. Okay, value of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method is 1,80,000. Now let's use the second method, super profit method. So we have got the super profit already, that is 18,000. Clear? So super profit into number of years purchase is goodwill under super profit method. So we know that last, right? So value of goodwill under the second method will be how much? 18,000 into number of years purchase, that is 3. So 18,000 into 3, it is 54,000. Clear? So under super profit method, that is simple super profit method, it is 54,000 the value of goodwill. And the capitalization of super profit method, the value of goodwill is 1,80,000. Clear? 1,80,000. I guess the sum is clear. Okay, this is here. This is in here in this particular part. That is the methods of valuation of goodwill, right? Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment and get your doubts cleared.